How to monetize Facebook in 2024. If you fail to do these 7 things I'm going to be showing you in this video, you will not be able to monetize your Facebook by the time Facebook monetization comes to Nigeria. It is no longer news that Facebook monetization is coming to Nigeria in June 2024. What this means is that you'll now be able to make money by posting content on your Facebook platform. This is a good news and a lot of people are over the moon about it. However, there are 7 important criteria that you need to meet before you can be monetized by Facebook. So you need to stay to the end of this video so you find out what these 7 criteria are and also be able to get them ready before monetization hits Nigeria. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll also be sharing with you one bonus tip that will help you start making money on Facebook right now before Facebook monetization comes. Before we dive into that, let's address me. I've been away from YouTube for quite some time, but I'm back. I just took a little break and I'm back to continue from where I stopped. So moving forward, I'll be creating videos to show you how to leverage the internet for income. I'm your favorite online marketing teacher. If you want to find out different things or different ways you can leverage the internet to make money for yourself, then consider to subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you never miss out on any of my videos. Without wasting further time, let's dive straight into what we have for today. So what are the 7 criteria you must meet right now to be able to be monetized on Facebook? Number 1 criteria is creating content on an eligible platform. If you're on Facebook, you must be posting your content on a platform that is eligible to be monetized. There are 3 different platforms on Facebook right now. There is the Facebook profile, there is the Facebook professional mode, and there is the Facebook page. If you're using the Facebook profile, you are not going to be monetized. The monetization option is not there. So what you have to do if you're using the Facebook profile is to turn your profile into the professional mode. And how do you do this? You have to get into your Facebook platform, just log into your Facebook, and then this is my profile here. I created this new profile to show you how this is done. Then you have to tap on these 3 dots here and scroll down to turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode. Here you're going to see turn on professional mode, and you're going to see all the things that you can have access to under professional mode, which are get paid for your content, see content insights, learn more, let more people follow you. So just tap on turn on. Great. So it says here you can choose more audiences options in your settings. So you can tap on continue, but then you have to set default post audience to public. So let's tap on that, and then we are going to scroll down and tap on continue. So this is it. Finish setting up, review privacy settings and all of that. Just scroll down. If there's any other thing you need to do here, okay, you have to establish your presence, add profile picture, which I've done, add cover photo, which I've done, add your bio, and every other thing you can do from here. So this way you've already turned your profile into a professional mode. So let's go back to our profile now. Now you can see that I have 22 followers here. This is a new account that I created, a demo account I created for this. So you can see now that friend request has turned to followers, and I'm following 2 people. So this is how you can turn your Facebook profile to professional mode. So by doing this, you have gotten your Facebook profile ready for monetization. That is step 1 that you have taken. Now is it that you monetize through your Facebook professional mode, or you create a Facebook page? To create your Facebook page is a very simple step to take. What you have to do, get into Facebook just like this, and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and here you're going to see all these options there. Just scroll down, you're going to see pages right here. Tap on pages. Under pages, you're going to see create, discover, invitations. Just tap on create, and over here you're going to tap on get started. Then your page name, let's just say Amara page. Okay, any name you want to give your page is fine. Then click on next. The next thing you want to do is to search category. So let's say my page is about marketing. Let me just use marketing agency. All right, and then you can add more categories. You can do it now or you can do it later. Just tap on create. You have created too many pages recently. It's saying I've created too many pages recently. There is another way to go around this. I will not be covering it here. If you want me to share a video on how to create a Facebook page, you can let me know. So let's move on. The next criteria you have to meet is that you must have at least 5,000 followers on your Facebook platform. On that eligible platform you are using, you must have at least 5,000 followers, not less than 5,000. It can be more than 5,000, but not less than 5,000. So for you to be eligible for monetization, you need that 5,000 Facebook active followers. Another one is that you must have at least 5 long videos of not less than 3 minutes. 5 long videos, because that is a way you show Facebook, oh, you are active person on this platform and you are real, you are legit. So you must have at least 5 long videos of not less than 3 minutes on your Facebook profile, on your Facebook page, the one you're trying to get monetized on. The next one is that you must have meet 60,000 watch minutes. 60,000 watch minutes. So how do you go about this? You go about this by posting more of reels, posting more of long content, going live on Facebook. Going live on Facebook is going to help you actually hit this faster. So if you put in the work, you're going to achieve it, because it is achievable. So you post more reels. You have to post more reels. At least every day you should post 2 to 3 videos. You have to go live at least in a week. You should be going live 2 or 3 times in a week. And then you have to post long form video content as well. If you follow these 3 steps I've shared here, you'll be able to hit the 60,000 watch hours on Facebook very fast, within 1 month or less. Okay, so focus on posting reels, posting videos, and making live, especially going live on Facebook. You're going to reach that 60,000 watch hours faster. Watch minutes, sorry, is watch minutes. Sorry, I'm saying watch hours. 60,000 watch minutes. You're going to reach it faster with these 3 steps I've shown you here. The next one is that you must have an authentic, established presence on Facebook for at least 30 days. So you don't want to come out from anywhere and want to get monetized on Facebook. Facebook wants to be sure that you have established your presence on Facebook. That means you have to be showing up on your Facebook page. You have to be posting. You have to relate with people. You have to engage with people's content. People have to engage with your content. And this must have happened for at least 30 days. All right. For at least 30 days, you must have consistently posted content on your page. You must have consistently engaged with other people, and other people engaging with you, and also you having a good number of followers within these 30 days. So you have to establish your presence. You can't just start making money on Facebook or get monetized on Facebook from nowhere. So if you're like me, who has been away, and you want to get monetized on Facebook, this is time for you to resume. You can get back and get things running for you using the steps that I'm sharing with you in this video. The next thing you want to do is to check your content monetization policy. Make sure that you do not violate any of Facebook content policy. All right, you have to check it. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. To check this, just get into your Facebook profile, then tap on this 3 dots here, 3 dots at the right corner of the screen. Then you can tap on profile status to see your status on Facebook. Now it says welcome. So profile benefits, profile is recommendable. You can tap on that to see if there is anything they are going to let you know. Okay, go to restricted monetization. So monetization issues, I told you this is a new page. I am not eligible yet, as you can see from here. So I have not violated any policy, but I'm not eligible yet because I've not been creating content on this page. This is a new page I created long time ago, but I don't use it. If you violated any, I think you'll be able to see it here. Another place you can go to, yes, another place you can go to check this, tap on see dashboard here. You can see your page, home, the insights, the creation, your growth, the monetization. So let's tap on monetization and see you are all caught up, not eligible. I'm not eligible yet for monetization. From here, you're going to be seeing everything about your Facebook page. If you are violated any policy, if there is any issue, you're going to see it from here. And then you have to do know what the necessary steps to take to correct them or to rectify them. The last one but not the least that I'm going to be sharing with you here, the seventh step that you must take, or the seventh criteria that you must meet to be able to be eligible for Facebook monetization, is to be in an eligible country. Now, there are different countries that are already eligible for Facebook monetization, and Nigeria has been counted into one of those countries, but monetization is not yet here. Okay, it's coming in June. So this is the right time for you to start preparing yourself towards monetization, so that by June, when Facebook or Meta releases that feature, you yourself will be able to get monetized and you start making money. All right, so there we have it, the seven criteria you need to meet right now to be able to be monetized on Facebook in 2024. I promise I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip with you that will help you to start making money on Facebook before the monetization comes. And what is that bonus tip? It is simply for you to get a product that you can sell. Start selling a product. You don't need to necessarily be an owner of the product you want to sell. You can affiliate other people's products. So look out for a product you have interest in, that you love to sell, that you know your audience will be interested in. These products can be digital or physical products. Go to the vendors who have this product, you can rehearse with them, and then whenever you sell any of these products, you will get a commission. So how do you do this? You just keep making reels, making videos, making content about this product, and then attach a link through which these people can buy this product. Once they make payment and buy the product, you make your commission. Same with digital product. If you want to go into digital products, you can look for any digital product platform. There are many of them, affiliate marketing platforms that have digital products. You can register there and then pick up any digital products that you're interested in. Use your Facebook page, start creating content about that product, create videos, talk about it, and attach a link. You can even build audience of people who are interested, create a group on WhatsApp or on Telegram, drive them there and talk about the product. Whenever anybody makes a purchase of that product, you get a commission. And that way you're making money. Before you know it, you will be hitting over 100K every month just using the strategy I've shared with you. If you've watched this video to this point and you got value, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also share it with someone out there, because there are a lot of people who will be needing this video. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because there are more videos lined up coming for you, showing you how to leverage internet to make money. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.